we are here today. Rhea, it is so good to have you here in our home.
Super happy to help you build your uniforms for the life that you live now, right? So like you said, if you have statement pieces, you want to hold on to those things, and then we can focus on developing basics, that modular wardrobe where you can mix and match, and you already know that you're going to be looking good if you put A and F together with the belts and the booties and so on and so forth. We want to make it easy for you to be comfortable, yet chic and memorable everywhere you go.
All right. So let me show you my closet.
Let's go. So we are on our way to Perimeter Mall to peruse, right? Because it's important for me to know what you like.
Hi everyone. So we are at the mall. Now let me tell you what happened last time. We were so excited and on our way to come to the mall and do all my styling, but there was a literal hailstorm, natural disaster on the way. So now I'm here to meet Rhea, who is my stylist, to really start putting together my look. We're back again here.
Perimeter Mall.
Yes, because nothing but an act of God stopped us from going shopping last time.
So when you're shopping in Zara, you want to be mindful of the label, because if it's got this inverted triangle, that means yes, it may be a size small, but it's really small. It gives you an indication of the fit. Okay, here we go. Something else. So when you've got your cute little circle, that means this is oversized. Okay, another thing that's super important is that when you're shopping, do you love the item? Okay, so you love this skirt.
I do.
Why do you love it? Tell me.
I love the pleats. I love that it's in this faux leather feel.
Okay.
I love that I can do so many things with it and just make it look fat. It won't take a lot to make it look fashionable. So I found the extra, but I'm a busty girl. Okay. So I definitely need to find this in another bigger size.
Okay.
But the length is great. The arms are great, but so I've definitely found some things I love.
Wonderful.
And I will definitely be ordering.
Awesome.
For sure. But I'm definitely walking out of here with these.
All right, so that's a wrap. We got a couple of great foundational pieces out of Zara, my favorite fast fashion store. And next up, we're gonna head to Macy's.